digging holes and lifting stones. In the mud, in the comfort zone. It works hard through the day and night, helping you out at the construction site. Some they have track pads, others have wheels. Orange and yellow, that's the colors they need. Shoving and lifting, oh so strong. Let's all sing the excavator song.
Hey, Baba! Kids, are you ready to sing and dance?
Ah!
Okay, here we go!